We are on for an early morning trek in the backyard of our house, and this has been unexplored since roughly 1 year. Oh, you can see the path is really covered with dry leaves. It's quite dense. We have our cousins also along with us. This is my brother. He seems really ready with in a local language called koita and a stick, and it's about 8ish or 7:30. 8, I think it's 8 now. So we've just started our trek. Hope we are able to complete the whole set. Okay, bye. We'll meet you later. And it seems the starting point is here for the trek. You can see. Wow, this is gonna be exciting. Hey! See! Hands! Oh!
The base of the camp.
Okay.
And from here we'll start the trek.
Okay.
Wild trek.
This was the place where we had kept the rishi and the katta, and right opposite is the Nandi, unfinished Nandi.
Natural Nandi.
Natural. You can see the face, but it's a big rock. Huge. Nice. And okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hey. How are you feeling?
Best. Yeah.
Cool.
Feeling excited and nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Her mom already warned her to do what? What did your mom told you? Do tuck tuck and then move forward.
I check everywhere and then.
Okay, Vinu. Follow the leader. Ho ho ho. Guys, we're entering the main jungle.
Jungle in the jungle.
We have the leader as Santosh and Per as me. And we have in between are two young ladies. Okay, you can see it's really okay. Bye. We are making our way by cutting a few branches. It's a very narrow lane. You can see. And we are waiting in line. How are you feeling, dear?
Sweat.
She's sweaty, she's hungry. There is no bruises, she's telling a lie.
No leg mein.
And this one, this little chap, like a monkey.
संभल के संतो.
Be careful, इधर खड्डा है संभल के. You can see all now Vinita is going to cross this hurdle. This was the hurdle we created for her, especially. And as her mom's instruction, do tuck tuck and go.
Do tuck tuck.
Now it's my turn. And yes, you can see I am with slippers.
आजा. तू आगे जाना, हम लोग आगे आने दे.
Yes, I'm in, and you can see. You want to see Nachi ke mullu? This is not Nachi ke mullu.
क्या हुआ?
Now starts the real fun. We are the real Mowglis now. Oh, वो टार्जन था, मोगली नहीं था. Okay, how are you feeling?
मजा आ रहा है.
अच्छा, she's our Baburao. This is baby Rai. Huh?
अपने को ऊपर जाने के
Okay.
west में. We came from east, now we'll go to west.
Okay. He's our leader. Follow the leader. Tang tang tang.
Let's hope we find our way. The next side of the mountain.
And we have almost a thick layer of dried leaves. Come, come, come. Okay. It's since ages that I've not trekked for a long time. And now I just got this chance in my very own native. Aha.
नीचे काटे का झाड़ है संभाल.
Look at the surrounding.
आजा आजा.
What a feel.
आजा.
Hi. Okay. And okay.
गाड़ी है इनका पूरा. जंगल जगह है.
Okay.
इसके बाद
Go beyond, my dear. Go beyond.
अरे जा
We
आगे.
need to come. Go beyond.
चालो तो मैंने तो
हाँ बोल.
Hey everyone, welcome to your favorite show बुझे तो जानी. तो जैसे कि हमने कहा था कि हम जाएंगे वरपड़ी के जंगल में for trekking. So here I have my cousins, my awesome gang. Some are missing, but I'm adjusting with these three. So this is Reshma Akka.
Hi.
So here is Kavya. Hello. And here
And
is
our all
Santosh.
favorite Santosh.
Yeah.
And the same show again.
Yeah. So we are on the route here this side.
Just pan the area.
Yeah, it's very dangerous, but we are doing it only specially for you guys. So please stay tuned to this show, okay? So we'll continue this journey. Stay tuned with us, and we'll show you how beautiful this jungle is. Okay, so don't go anywhere. See you after the break.
Cool.
Love you guys. Hey Santo, किधर जा रहा है?
Trek.
How is the
Wildlife.
experience? How are you feeling?
Awesome.
Awesome. Are
Yes.
you nervous?
No, I'm excited to go
Are you
move
tired?
further.
Are you tired?
No, I'm sweating though, but I'm not tired.
Oh, you're looking very handsome today.
Thank you.
And, even
And he
Kavu and Akka is
reached the
lovely.
destination.
Destination and few more.
This is a slope with full of leaves. We tried to cross. Yes. रास्ता बन रहा है ताकि हम ऊपर चढ़ सके.
मधुमक्खी है क्या संभल के? देखा भी नहीं कौन सा मक्खी, सीधा मधुमक्खी. फिर कौन सा?
We have managed to come this far.
हाँ वो ऐसे करते. मच्छर नहीं काटेगा. कांटा लगेगा लेकिन संभल के.
They are cleaning the space. Sweaty, sweaty.
अंदर संभल के काटा है. ये मधुमक्खी है. हेलो बोलो. जाने जा ढूंढता फिर रहा हो तुम्हें रात दिन, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ, मुझको आवाज दो, छुप गए हो कहाँ, मैं यहाँ तुम कहाँ.
मैं तड़पा.
तेरा फोन है वहाँ.
जा इधर काटा है. समझ रुको.
गाने गा. Hey everyone, welcome back again to Bujhe To Jani. So we have already reached half the way and we don't know which way to go. So we are doing wild trekking. So we are guessing that the route should be this side. So let's see. Our leader Santosh is trying his best to get the correct route for us. And my cousins are also not panicked. You can see Kavya is very confident. I am very confident, and even Reshma confident.
I am super confident.
So let's do it. You guys be with us. Stay tuned.
Shut up. And we reached a certain level now after much of struggle with all the Kateri jhads and all. Thanks to Santosh. Quite better here. Hi baby. How are we?
तो ऐसा मेरे ऊपर मत
We are
लाना
good.
आगे तो
Good. Okay. चलेगा उठा के जा. संभाल के.
And I think we have somewhat reached to the top area. Hey, what happened?
Hello. Hi.
Okay, she wants to speak. Go slow, go slow. My shadow, you can see how I'm coming. And the grand finale. This is
इधर ओपन है
Yay! We did it.
okay. You can walk peacefully now for some time.
अभी उतरना नीचे थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है एकदम स्लो पर इसलिए यहाँ पे आदमी आके ये जगह बोल रहे ये जगह खुले में आके मतलब मैं बराबर लेके आया सबको ये कुछ बनाते रहे
Are you getting the feel of trek?
यहाँ से नजदीक है
हम लोग इस तरफ जा.
इधर तो ऑलरेडी कौन पहुंचा हुआ है बर्तन
वीडियो
देखो.
इधर हो जाए.
We are not the first ones. Amen.
ready
Steady.
पहला मैं ही आया.
And can show you now the, can you see the
finally we reached
edge of the mountain?
edge of the mountain
Look there, look there, look there. Look there, everybody is happy now. Hey girls, what are you doing?
Hey, we did it. We reached Mount.
Hey, come on. Hi.
Hey, we did it. जंगल से बाहर निकलकर हम लोग लड़ते हुए.
I'll show you a tribal dance. I'll show you a tribal dance now. We have 3 tribals here.
with a mobile in hands huh
And okay, this is a new video for our newly found tribals with the modern dresses. Okay, okay. Now we have a dance. Okay, come on. Hula la la hu, hula la la hu, hurr, hurr. Hula la la hu, hula la la hu, hurr, hurr. Ha ha hu hu ha ha hu hu ha ha hu. We have a Mowgli too. Ha. I am joining with hoo, 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 ha, 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 ha. And the dance is over. Bye. हाँ कैसे कैसे विनो अन्नू तेरे को लेके गिरेगी देखो
इधर भी हो रहा है अपन भी गिर रहा है
संभाल के
शॉर्टकट लिया
अभी
स्माइल फोटो भी खींच सकते हैं
फोटो निकाले
हाँ उसके पास कैमरा ही नहीं है
आगे आजा
अंडा जैसा चल रहा है
आगे आजा
गाना गा
दुनिया में हम आए तो जीना ही पड़ेगा शिरडी
वाले
साईं बाबा आया है तेरे दर पे आज। चल चल तब यहाँ से भाग के जा रनिंग जंप पे ऐसा विंता
हाँ पहिला पोहोच गए
ओ लाउलू पसीना मगलू तुला गे
पसीने का भाग मार रहे हैं इतना ही
यू डिड इट
हम अभी नीचे उतर रहे हैं इंग्लिश भूल गए हिंदी पे आ गए हैं ओके सर गर्म हो गया है
तो जाने प्लीज
मन कर रहा है कोई कोल्ड ड्रिंक ला के दे पर हमें पता है
तो बलकुंजा जा सकते हैं
कोई हमको कुछ देगा नहीं यहाँ पे
अच्छा बिग वीडियो हो जाए बिल्कुल अपना इसका बुझे तो जाने का फाइनल वाला
अच्छा अभी वीनू का कुछ ऑर्डर है तो मैं कट कर रही हूँ बाय सी यू and we are done. Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. कर फिर सब लोग
करेगा तो
दिखा नो।
अच्छा है।
अच्छा है, अच्छा है।
ये
ऊपर
छोड़ना
फेंकना।
होगा।
ए काऊ 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 काऊ।
एक मिनट रुको।
ये तो अन्नू का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जैसा हो जाएगा।
ओके, लोगों को जान दो पहले, तो खाली रोड में
ये लोग को भी ना चाहिए।
हाँ